Mabuhay, I am Angelica Rihan Pipito from the STM12BP. So these are the following Philippine regions that's subdivided into 18 regions. First is the National Capital Region, which is Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, Pateros, Mandaluyong, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, Valenzuela. Next is Cordillera Administrative Region. We have Abra, Bangbed, Apayao, Cabugao, Benguet, La Trinidad, Ifugao, Lagawe, Kalinga, Tabuk, Magdi Province, Bontoc. Region 1, Ilocos Region. We have Ilocos Norte, Lawag, Ilocos Sur, Vigan, La Union, San Fernando, Pangasinan, Lingayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley, we have Batanes, Basco, Cagayan, Tuguegarao, Isabela, Ilagan, Nueva Vizcaya, Bayambong, Quirino, Cabarugis. Region 3, Central Luzon, we have Aurora, Baler, Bataan, Balanga, Bulacan, Malolos, Nueva Ecija, Palayan, Pampanga, San Fernando, Tarlac City, Zambales, Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon, we have Batangas, Batangas City, Cavite, Imos, Laguna, Santa Cruz, Quezon, Lucena, Rizal, Antipolo. Region 4B, Mimaropa, Marinduque, Buwak, Occidental Mindoro, Mamburao, Oriental Mindoro, Calapan, Palawan, Puerto Princesa, Romblon. Region 5, Bicol Region, we have Albay, Legazpi, Camarines Norte, Dait, Camarines Sur, Pili, Catanduanes, Verac, Sorsogon City, Masbate City. Region 6, Western Visayas, we have Aklan, Calibo, Antique, San Jose de Buenavista, Capiz, Rojas City, Guimaras, Jordan, Iloilo City, Negros Occidental, Bacolod. Region 7, we have Central Visayas, Bohol, Tagbilangan, Cebu City, Negros Oriental, Dumaguete, Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas, we have Bilira, Naval, Eastern Samar, Borongan, Leyte, Tacloban, Northern Samar, Catarman, Samar, Catbalogan, Southern Leyte, Maasin. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, Zamboanga del Norte, Dipolog, Zamboanga del Sur, Pagadian, Zamboanga Sibugay, Ipil. Region 10, Northern Mindanao, we have Bukidnon, Malaybalay, Camiguin, Mambajaw, Lanao del Norte, Tubod, Misamis Occidental, Oroqueta, Misamis Oriental, Cagayan de Oro. Region 11, Davao Region, we have Davao de Oro, formerly Compostela Valley, Nabunturan, Davao del Norte, Tagum, Davao del Sur, Digos, Davao Occidental, Malita, Davao Oriental, Mati. Region 12, Sorsogon, we have Cotabato, Kidapawan, Sarangani, Alabel, South Cotabato, Coronadal, Sultan Kudarat, Isulan. Region 13, Caraga, Agusan del Norte, Cabadbaran, Agusan del Sur, Prosperidad, Dinagat Island, San Jose, Surigao del Norte, Surigao City, Surigao del Sur, Tandag, Borm, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. We have Basilan, Lamitan, Lanao del Sur, Marawi, Maguindanao del Norte, Dato Udin Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Sur, Buluan, Sulu, Kulu, Tawi-Tawi, Bungao. That's it. Thank you.